Hello student, in this class we will solve question number 6. This is based at mathematical curve fitting with data for even number of years. From the following past data of sales in lakhs rupees of a company, estimate the same for the year 2029. From the given data, we need to find the sales details for year 2029. Here, data are given from 2014 to 2023. Respective sales details are given. Assume the trend line to be linear. What is the monthly rate of increase of sale? So guys, what is the difference between question number 5 and 6? In question number 5, there were odd number of years given. But in question number 6, it is given as even number of years. So in this case, we will assume as any of mid-year as 1. Because in previous question we had odd number, so we choose mid-year as a base year, but in this we have equal years, so we will assume 2019 as year 1. So we will take add numbers for the further. Now we will find for year 2020. As we assumed 2019 as 1, so we will take 3 for 2020. There is a gap of 2. Again, we will calculate for year 21. Since the gap is 2, so x will be 5 for year 2021. Here we can see the increasing trend is plus 2 and above is minus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2 because this is a even number of years. But in case of odd number years, we took gap of 1 in each year. But here we will take 2 as for each year. So total sum of x will be 0. Now we will calculate x square. X is minus 9. Minus 9 square 81. Minus 7 square 49. Minus 5 square 25. Minus 3 square 9. Minus 1 square 1. 1 square 1. In this we will find for entire year. So our total x square, sum of x square will be 330. Now we will calculate product of x and y. So we will multiply x and y. 15.3 into minus 9. So our product will be minus 137.7. 14.6 into minus 7. So our product will be minus 102.2. 16.8 into minus 5, product will be minus 84. In the same manner, we will calculate for entire year up to 2023. Now, sum of xy is 177. Further, our main equation is y is equal to bx. Now, to find the value of a and b, we will use this formula. Sigma y is equal to a into n plus b into sigma x. So we already calculated sigma y ka value 192 is equal to 10a plus b into 0. Sigma x is 0. So a is 19.20. Now we will put the value of a in this equation. Further we will find b is equal to 0.536. Since we have already find the a and b ka value, now we will put the same in this equation. For year 2029, x will be 21. Since this is the even series formula, so we will add plus 2 in each year. However, so we will find x is equal to 21. Now we will put the a, b and x ka value in this equation. A 19.20 plus b 0.536 into 21 is equal to 30.456 million, and therefore average monthly increase is equal to b by 12. So our answer will be 0.0446. This question is a perfect example where one concept gives you multiple answers in the exam. If your basics are clear, you can easily score full marks in such questions. Thank you.